TikTok Lite failing to start up. So hey guys, on this video I'll be teaching you how to fix your TikTok Lite, like how to fix the startup issue. So if you ever had your TikTok Lite having issues with starting up, I suggest going to settings. So here guys, we're just gonna go to our settings. So guys, in a bit. Hey guys, now we're here at our settings. What you do is go down, click on apps right here. After pressing apps right there, click on app management. Now, say your TikTok Lite is not opening. All we need to do is go right here and then find TikTok Lite. TikTok Lite. TikTok Lite. Press on TikTok Lite. Then all we need to do is go to storage and click on clear cache. If this doesn't work, you still try to open TikTok Lite, doesn't work, I suggest click on clear data. There you go. So yeah, and we're gonna go back. The other way you can do is always check if it's updated. So we're gonna check if it's updated. So you can bit. There you go. Now loading right here. Click on right here. We're gonna put in TikTok Lite. There you go, TikTok Lite. Check if it's updated. Make sure TikTok Lite is always up to date. Click on update, as I said. There you go. Make sure it's up to date. There you go. And if it still doesn't work, I highly suggest deleting your app and restarting your phone, then downloading the app, then install your app. Then after installing the app, there you go, try to do it. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have another question, concerns, question, guys, have as soon as possible. And thank you guys.